There is nothing worse than failing. To be publicly embarrassed by failure can be really difficult. And even though we all know that failure is a way to learn, it's still not a very comfortable place to be. And it takes a great person really confident with who they are to actually say that they really enjoy failure. In this video today, we're going to be tapping on fear of failure, because that can be the thing that holds you back from really achieving everything you want in your life. Achieving everything you want in your life. So, I want you to measure on a scale of 1 to 10. How strong is that fear of failure you have? And where do you feel it? Here we go. Even though I have this strong fear of failure, I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. Even though I don't want to fail. It would be too embarrassing. I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. Even though, what will people say if I fail? I don't think I could actually take it. I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. I don't want to fail. Such a huge fear of failure. What will people say? What will they think of me? Will they laugh behind my back? What if I fail? It'd be so embarrassing. What will people think? What will they say? This fear of failure. I don't want to fail. I'm scared of what people will think. I'm scared of what they'll say. This fear of failure. I don't want to fail. This fear of failure. Take a deep breath and let it go. All right, just measure to see if that fear of failure has come down. Again, remember, with anything we do in tapping, you need to go and find the time where you failed and someone made fun of you, or maybe your father never allowed you to fail, or you did fail and you were punished because of it. So you need to find that connection, that emotional connection to that. I'm going to assume that now is way down, that fear of failure, and let's see how we go. Even though I did have a strong fear of failure, no, it's okay. I choose to stop judging myself. Even though I know I had this fear of failure, but it's different now. I choose to try my best. Even though I had this feeling that I'd be embarrassed if I failed, I choose to feel it anyway. Tapping. I choose to try. I choose to do my best. I won't know if I don't start it. I choose to do my best. And if I fail, I'll try something else. I choose to do my best. I give myself permission to fail and learn from it. I choose to do my best without fear. Take a deep breath and let it go. Remember that power pose? You know, sometimes with failure, you just got to do it. And you always learn through it anyway. Give yourself permission to do so. Remember to click on the link to subscribe. Leave me a comment below. Let me know how you go. And remember my Mastering EFT for Personal Use that can help you really and truly understand this amazing modality. I'll see you soon.